Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Mieko. Today we are going to do another abdominal exercise with mini ball. Let's start. Place the ball between your feet and both feet are flexed. Press your heel down to floor and feel your back side of your legs engaging. Find your sit bone and sitting nice and tall as much as you can. Arms are straight, shoulder away from your ear. Squeeze your ball, breathe in. As exhale, tuck tail under. And continue going down to the floor. Place your both hands behind your head. Breathe in here. As exhale, chin to chest, lift your head up and continue coming up to look at the ball. And come back down. Breathe out. Feel your shoulder blade off from the mat. And of course, squeezing the ball to feel your legs. Keep relaxing your arms and try not pressure to your head and neck. Just keep light. 3 more. Breathe in. All air out when you're coming up. Last one more time. Hold here. Look at the ball. And lift your right leg up. The ball between your feet still. And down. Left foot up. And down. Breathe out. Breathe in. Straight up. 2 more sets. Keep lifting the shoulder blade off from the mat. Ooh, already sweat. Last one. Breathe in here. Press your heel down to floor and going down slowly. Ooh, good job. Put your ball under your left foot. Breathe in here. As exhale, chin to chest. Coming to abdominal curl. And bend your left knee. Roll the ball. And breathe in back to start. Breathe out. Five times. Try not to twist your upper body, just straight up. Good job. Last one more time. Now hold here. Right leg hover. And straight your left leg, bend your right knee. Like a march, coming up and down. Adding coordination. Two more. Last one, hold here. Reach your arms toward to your feet. And we're gonna march. March. 3 more. 2. Last one. And come back to center. Relax. Good job. Other side. Hands behind your neck again. Breathe in. As exhale coming up, bend your right knee to chest. And come back to side. Three, all breathe out, 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 1 inch higher. Good job. 2 more. Last one, hold on top, hold here. Left leg hover and switch your legs. Breathe out, bend your right knee and down. 3 more times. Lengthening legs. Energy to your even left leg. Last one, hold here. Reach your arms, coming up 1 inch higher. And march, march. Two more. Last one, even higher. And relax. Good job. Now, put your ball behind your thigh. Both legs together and press the ball down to feel hamstrings. Arms reach to sky. Breathe in. As exhale, lift your pelvis off from the floor. Round the back and come back. Breathe out. Keep squeezing the ball so you can feel the leg working. Same time as abdominal. Last one. And we're gonna pick up pace 10 times. Ready? And go up and down. Up and down. Even a little bit faster pace, still control movement. Breathe out. 5 more. Ooh. 2 more times. Last one, hold. And down. Take the ball away and hug both knees. Good job. Okay. So now legs are together. Ball go to between your thigh and both elbow and lift your head up. There we go. Keep squeezing the ball from elbow and thigh. And we are going to one leg reach out and come back. Woo. Breathe out. Let's do 3 more sets. Don't drop a ball. Maybe I should say if you drop ball, restart. And let's do one more. Woo! Feel this. And come back. Keep ball here. Head relax. Place your hand to the ball. Breathe in here. As exhale, extend your both legs. Roll the ball toward to your toes. Lift, lift, lift. And come back to start. When you extend your legs, try inner thigh together too. And last one more time. Now, place the ball between your ankle. Head down. Legs go to 45 degrees. Coming up, lift your heads up and get the ball to your hand. 45 degrees, up and back the ball to your feet. Woo! Squeezing the ball. Three more. Sit. We can do it. Two more. No arch your back. Last one more time. And legs come back to 45 degrees. Place your ball to your hand and squeeze ball. Breathe in here and tiny scissors. Upper body are strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hug your knee. Woo! All right. Okay, last exercise for today. Both legs are 90 degrees. Ball go back to between your hands and press to feel your chest. Okay, from here, without the ball, rotation your legs side to side. Feel your spine rotate. You don't want to go too far to out of control. Very small movement, so you're feeling oblique work and chest and arms and legs, whole body. Leave the ball exactly same as you start. Be aware backside, both scapula down to the floor. One more each side. Finish strong. And come back to center. Slowly both legs down to floor. Keep lower back down, down, down. Breathe in here. Exhale, chin to chest. Roll up slowly. Stretch. And come back. How did you feel? Feels good? If you haven't tried my another ball exercise, please try. Thank you for visiting me today. See you next time.